Hello students, good morning to all. How are you all? Fine? Today we are going to learn subject English. Lesson number 2, School is fun. Nowadays we are suffering from COVID-19. So you are not coming to school. But I know you miss the school very much. Now today we are going to learn the story about Rahul and Lily. This brother and sister, we are going to read the story about Rahul and Lily. Take out your page number 24. Lesson number 2, School, SCHOOL. School, IS is FUN, fun. School is fun. School is fun. You are coming to school and you enjoy in the school very much. You learn many things from our school. RAHUL, Rahul. AND, and. LILY, Lily. Rahul and Lily. STUDY, study. in. CLASS, class first. Rahul and Lily study in class first. Rahul and Lily, in which class they study? In a class first. You also study in a class first. THEY, they. GO, go. TO2, SCHOOL, school. FROM, from. MONDAY, Monday. TO2, FRIDAY, Friday. They go to school from Monday to Friday. You also go to school. We also go to school Monday to Saturday, because only Sunday is our holiday, but they have school on Monday to Friday. They have school on Monday to Friday, 5 days. They go to school 5 days, from Monday to Friday. SATURDAY, Saturday. AND, and. SUNDAY, Sunday. ARERHOLIDAYS, holidays. Saturday and Sunday are holidays. They got 2 holidays, on Saturday and Sunday, and we get 1 holiday only on Sunday. THEY, they. GO, go. TO2, SCHOOL, school. BY, by. THE, the. SCHOOL, school. BUS, bus. They go to school by the school bus. They go to school by the school bus. Have you seen school bus? Yes, you come now in a school bus. They go to school by the school bus, and some students go by auto rickshaw. Some students come in school by scooter, auto rickshaw, and school bus. When they go to school by the school bus. They are going to school by the school bus. वो किस में जाते हैं? स्कूल बस में जाते हैं. कोई ऑटो रिक्शा में जाता है, वैन में जाता है, बाइक पर जाते हैं, कोई चल के भी स्कूल आते हैं, बट दे आर गोइंग बाय द स्कूल बस. बट राहुल एंड लिली किससे जाते हैं? स्कूल बस से जाते हैं. नाउ यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस स्टोरी. राहुल एंड लिली कौन से क्लास में पढ़ते हैं? क्लास फर्स्ट में पढ़ते हैं. यू ऑल्सो स्टडी इन क्लास फर्स्ट ना. आप भी क्लास फर्स्ट में पढ़ते हो ना. दे गो टू स्कूल फ्रॉम मंडे टू फ्राइडे. वो स्कूल कब जाते हैं? मंडे टू फ्राइडे, सोमवार से फ्राइडे यानी शुक्रवार तक. सैटरडे एंड संडे आर हॉलीडे. 2 दिन का उनका हॉलीडे होता है. हमारा हॉलीडे कब होता है? संडे को होता है ना. दे गो टू स्कूल बाय द स्कूल बस एंड दे आर गोइंग, वो किससे जाते हैं? स्कूल बस से जाते हैं। THE द, CHILDREN चिल्ड्रन, LEARN लर्न, MANY मैनी, THINGS थिंग्स, AT SCHOOL स्कूल। The children learn many things at school। स्कूल में आकर चिल्ड्रन क्या करते हैं? मैनी थिंग्स, बहुत सारी थिंग्स क्या होते हैं? लर्न करना यानी सीखते हैं। स्कूल में आते हैं तभी सीखते हैं ना सब। THEY दे, LEARN लर्न, TOTREAD रीड, WRITE राइट, DO SUMS sums, SING sing, AND and, DANCE dance। तो स्कूल में आकर क्या क्या सीखते हैं? We learn many things from school। We learn read means रीडिंग करना means पढ़ना। Write means लिखना। Do sums means प्लस एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन, उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? सम्स। तो डू सम्स। सिंग यानी गाना भी हम कहाँ से सीखते हैं? एनुअल फंक्शन में हम लोग करते हैं ना, सिंगिंग एंड डांसिंग। तो एनुअल फंक्शन करते हैं, उससे हम क्या सीखते हैं? सिंगिंग एंड डांसिंग। THEY दे, ALSO also, LEARN learn, TOTUSE use, THE the, COMPUTER computer। They also learn to use the computer। और वो क्या और सीखते हैं? कंप्यूटर को यूज़ करना। हाउ टू कंप्यूटर यूज़, वो भी राहुल एंड लिली कहाँ पे सीखते हैं? स्कूल में। RAHUL राहुल, AND एंड, LILY लिली, राहुल एंड लिली। NEVER नेवर, FIGHT फाइट, राहुल एंड लिली नेवर फाइट मीन्स झगड़ते नहीं हैं, कभी भी वो झगड़ा नहीं करते हैं। कौन नहीं झगड़ा करते हैं? राहुल एंड लिली। THEY दे, ARER POLITE पोलाइट, CHILDREN चिल्ड्रन। दे आर पोलाइट चिल्ड्रन। वो कैसे चिल्ड्रन है? वो एकदम पोलाइट है। पोलाइट मीन्स सब ऑबे करते हैं, जो टीचर्स कहते हैं, मम्मी पापा कहते हैं, वो सब ऑबे करते हैं, उसे क्या कहते हैं? पोलाइट चिल्ड्रन। वो लोग कभी भी फाइट नहीं करते, कभी भी झगड़ा नहीं करते। दे आर अ गुड चिल्ड्रन, सो दे नेवर फाइट। नाउ नेक्स्ट लाइन इज SOMETIMES sometimes, RAHUL Rahul, IS is NAUGHTY naughty। Sometimes Rahul is naughty, sometimes Rahul is naughty। What he is doing? Mischief। Naughty means badly, rudely behave। Sometimes he become naughty। he DOES does, NOT not, DO HIS his, WORK work, in TIME time। He does not do his work in time। Sometimes Rahul is naughty because he is not doing his work। He is not doing his work means he is not writing his homework, and sometimes he do mischief, sometimes he becomes naughty। LILY Lily, HELP helps, HIM him, TO2, DO do, HIS his, WORK work. Lily helps him to do his work. और उसको कौन हेल्प करता है? लिली. लिली हेल्प्स हिम टू डू हिज वर्क. उसके वर्क में लिली हेल्प करती है. SHECIS is VERY very. HELPFUL helpful. She is very helpful. She is very helpful. Who is helpful? Lily. She helps to Rahul in his work. RAHUL Rahul, AND and LILY Lily. SHARE share, THEIR there, LUNCH lunch, WITH with, THEIR there, FRIENDS friends. Rahul and Lily share their lunch with their friends. Rahul and Lily share their lunch with whom? They share their lunch with their friends. LILY Lily, EATS eats, HEALTHY healthy, FOOD food. Lily eats healthy food. Which type of food Lily eats? Lily eats healthy food. SHELOVES loves. TO2 EAT eat, FRUIT fruit. AND and VEGETABLES vegetables. SALADS salads. Lily eats healthy food. She loves to eat fruit and vegetable salad. What Lily loves to eat? Lily loves to eat fruits and vegetable salad. Vegetable salad means tomato, cucumber, carrot. We mix that vegetable and we make vegetable salad and fruits like mango, papaya, cherry, grapes, chiku. They are fruits and they are healthy. They are healthy food and they keeps us healthy. Now next, RAHUL Rahul, LIKES likes, TO2 EAT eat and OODLES noodles. AND and CHIPS chips. Rahul likes to eat noodles and chips. What kind of food Rahul likes to eat? He likes to eat noodles and chips. That are junk food. We don't have to eat that like food. We have to eat only healthy food. LILY Lily, SAYS says. Lily says. Lily बोल रही है. RAHUL Rahul, THIS this IS is NOT not HEALTHY FOOD food. Rahul, this is not healthy food. और लिली राहुल को बता रही है दिस इज नॉट हेल्दी फूड. ये फूड अच्छा नहीं है. IT eat, CAN can, MAKE make, YOUU, FAT fat, AND and LAZY lazy. It can make you fat and lazy. Which type of food we not to eat? We not to eat like noodles, chips that are junk food. It are called junk food. We have to eat only healthy food. लिली बता रही है कि ऐसा फूड खाने से हम कैसे हो जाते हैं, फैट हो जाते हैं और लेज़ी भी हो जाते हैं। उससे फिर हमको काम करने का मन नहीं होता है। हमेशा हमको कैसा फूड खाना चाहिए, हेल्दी फूड खाना चाहिए। हेल्दी फूड हमको क्या करता है, तेज बनाता है, तंदुरुस्त बनाता है। That is enough for today. Keep practice at home. Read the lesson carefully.